Hello friends, I'm Brian Chuwa. For the past 80 years, I've immersed myself in the finance industry. I'm a certified financial services provider by the Capital Market and Securities Authority, CMSA, of Tanzania. For years, I relied on spreadsheets, primarily Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, like most professionals. However, recent advancements in computer science, particularly in big data, have rendered spreadsheets inadequate. I then immersed myself in learning a database management system called MYSQL and Python, which is regarded as the programming language for finance. Last year, in 2023, I completed my Python training. Over the past 2 months, leveraging a database I maintain for listed companies at DSE, I developed a web application accessible at www.brian.co.tz. This platform offers comprehensive financial information, expert guidance through a robo-advisor, a portfolio tracker, and a PDF generator. Allow me to guide you through its features. Upon visiting www.brian.co.tz, you'll land on a homepage. Here, you can navigate to other features via links, a drop-down menu, or a sidebar menu. Let's begin with the DSE Market Insights, a visualization of technical and fundamental analysis of listed companies at DSE. Here you can explore metrics such as moving averages, outstanding bids and offers, and financial ratios. Next, Bank of Tanzania. It provides insights into Tanzania's economy from the Bank of Tanzania. Here you can discover insights on government securities trading, exchange rates, interest rates, and money supply. Now, into the investment advisor. Using artificial intelligence, I've developed a robo-advisor that considers clients' investment objectives, financial position, specific needs, and risk preferences, which will be collected via a form. Clients can interact with the advisor, asking questions like, what should be my investment strategy? Or where should I invest? To power this feature, I've utilized OpenAI's Assistant APIs, which is a recent release feature. While the technical aspects function smoothly, I'm continuously improving the AI instructions and integrating updated market information. If you're a financial company or an investment advisor interested in offering a service like this, please reach out to collaborate on these enhancements. Another page is the portfolio tracker. This is a sample portfolio tracker for an investor who has been buying and selling shares and government bonds on DSE from 2018 to 2022. An investor can see details such as the portfolio value, cash balance, portfolio gain, and how diversified his investment is in terms of industry, sector, security type, and market segments. An investor can also evaluate each security with metrics cards and a chart which shows the price of the security at the point in time when he bought or sold the security. For those in the finance industry who regularly send reports to clients, the PDF generator page simplifies the process. As a showcase, with just a click of a button, you can generate a detailed PDF report for technical analysis on any company listed at DSE. The report includes comprehensive company details such as the date listed and IPO share price, along with a candlestick chart for visual analysis. While this platform is a work in progress, I will continue to add insights from FSDT, TRA, and also NBS. In the next 2 years, I plan 2 phases. In the first year, integrating the APIs for data connectivity with organizations like DSE for data and even stock trading. And in the second year, developing mobile versions for Android and iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this platform aligns with your company's needs or you're interested in offering it to your clients, please don't hesitate to reach out. Cheers.